react hyphen first, and then I am giving some 1.0.0, and I am giving some kind of react hello program. Okay, and I'm giving index.js and entry git repository and keywords author, and I am giving some yes here. So for now what will happen is only that particular I mean this package.json, whatever I mean in the inputs I give, only that will be coming. But I have to install the dependencies. To install the dependencies, I have to use this key actually, dependencies actually. So first I am going for this package.json. There I am going to paste, but not this bootstrap for now, don't get confused. Okay, so here the thing is like we are going to get the so here I am going to get these latest dependencies. Okay, apart of this we should get the dev dependency also. So to start and stop my application, I should get the dev dependency. So I have to go ahead and then um, paste this one. This, yeah. Now we no need of this one. This is not necessary for now. We don't need of this also. Okay. So here I will be having okay. Yeah, here whatever thing that is here. Now I am going to do some npm install. So after this npm install, what can I expect? I can expect the node modules and the default installations of the node modules, and also I should expect the React and React DOM and also React scripts. These are three I should expect a part of the default npm modules. So to install the dependencies, the command whatever we are having is like npm install. So once I install this, all the dependencies will be installing here in this React first. Okay, now you can find like the npm is, I mean all the dependencies are installed here in this React first. So you will be able to finding the React one here. You will finding like uh, React and also React DOM and React scripts. Okay, so all these three will be installed. Okay, now the thing is I want to first create a particular HTML for this for a file, right? Index.html. So this is the one which will be having this file is the one which will be having the root of your DOM, document object model. We are going to inject the component to this HTML. How we are going to inject this? The index.js we are going to inject with a render method. We are going to inject. For now, we will see about what we have to do here inside this index.html. This index.html, I should write like this. I should make a root module here, and I should make one div id equal to root. Here there is no functionality here. There is nothing. Up and down. Whatever. There is no functionality here. It is just like an one simple HTML tag. You are getting me right? But it should be inside a public folder. Okay, so one more folder I require is src. So in this src I should require like index.js. This is the file. This is a src file. It is required index.js. In this index.js, two things are required. One is like import React from React. This is a capital R actually. I am going to import the React. Why? I want to create a particular component. I require React, and class. I am going to give here some app extends and component. This component, and here I am going to use constructor, and in this constructor I am going to use super, and I'm giving some kind of this dot, some variable, some kind of name, okay, or some kind, yeah, employment number I gave here. That is some kind of 215. So here, and I am going to render. So one here I am going to return a HTML statements. All your HTML statements should be returned from this return statement only. That too, you should enclose that inside a div. So here I am going to give here some hello React. Okay, so this is how a component should be looking like. But this component is not yet merged to the index.html. We are not going to merge this component to the index.html. How can I merge that this component, or wrap up this component and put it inside this index.html?
Root with the div id is equals to.
Yeah. Now what we want to do? Render.
Document render.
Yeah. We have to give app. What is that? Capital E, right? App. And I am going to give here document dot
Get element by id.
get element by id and root. Okay. So now, so if I am running here the npm start, what it will happen? It will go for this React scripts, this key, and it will fetch this value. Okay, and it will run this value as a CLI command, and it will run this entire application. Okay, the power of running all your entire application is with this React scripts module, what we have installed. Okay, so here it is like this. It's like npm start if I am giving. So there are some default package modules to add. Those modules I should add here. So since this modules is not yet defined, we have to define this render. So to do that, we have to go for this import, and I am going to give here render, and I am going to give from React DOM.
Are you typing something?
Oh, you are not. I think it
Oh,
was.
I can't see that screen. Yeah,
Now you can see.
yeah, now I can see.
Yeah, this is how a small program on React. So we want to do.
When I created by using like W3 school script, it
Okay.
actually the public and source file. I mean, like that source two folders got automatically got
Yeah,
created. I mean,
they will be created automatically.
yeah,
Since I just want to make you understand where and where these files should be there, I just told like individually I took the folders and told.
yeah,
Yeah, to understand you more better, I mean, to understand this scripts more better, I just told in an individual format of public folder and source
source.
folders. Yeah, is this fine?
Yeah, it's fine.